Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to add a target line to a chart in Excel. Like and subscribe, support this channel, let's get started. So to the point, we have such a small table, which for example shows sales over several years. And the third column shows sales targets. Now we need to convert our data into a bar chart. Select 3 columns, then click the tab Insert, choose bar, then 2D or 3D, and horizontal or vertical chart. So we have created a simple bar chart. On the histogram we got 2 columns in each year, which sales were and which targets were set for these sales. Now we convert the targets column into a target line. Hold the mouse cursor over the targets column, right click and select Change Series Chart Type. Make sure that the combo option is selected and select the line option for the targets graph, then click OK. We got the target line. Let's change its color. Click twice on the target graph and the menu opens on the right side, in which we expand the border tab and select the desired line color. Here we can also change its width and so on. The target line, depending on which sales figures are indicated in the cells, may not be exactly aligned. But if you need the target line to completely change when one number changes, then we will write a short formula for this. In cell D3, using the $sign, we fix the value of cell D2 and expand the formula to the end of the column. And now all the cells in the column will always copy the values entered in cell D2. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.